よりも困難で。
Why are you running?
I hate all men, but when he loves me, I feel like I'm floating. Look at you, strawberry cow. You make me go wow. I love it when you mew my name.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Birthday fart.
Have you noticed what Zipper does when you're not looking? Use camera mode and run off screen.
Hit you with the blink. Hit you with the blink. Hit you with the tricks. Got one.
When the sky comes falling, even the sun don't shine, I got faith in you and I.
Are you here to water my garden? Are you watering my garden? Oh my god, are you watering my garden? Oh my god. You sweet, sweet bean. You can stay forever.
I knew it was gonna happen!
Oh no.
Hello.
That's stupid. Move up there, now.
Kathy,
What?
what are you playing?
I'm playing Animal Crossing on Switch. I missed that fish! Shit!
Bitch, I'm taking off, I'm floating out of space. Been too many rags, it's under all my waist. She said she feeling me.
It's okay, Jake. You always try to protect me and Finn, but sometimes we are going to get hurt. How about today, you let me be the papa? Time is an illusion that helps things make sense.
Jimmy Turner, my name is Dust, give a tail, give a dust, give a tail, give a dome, give a dick, dome, give a dome, give a tail, give a tail, dome, give a tail, give a tail.
I'm gonna fucking save you. Hey, Bubba's.
You already know. Part 2.
Noise.
Stick around for part 3. Get ready with me for Con, Kinda, Running Late Edition. I finished this cosplay 2 hours ago, so cute. Cough, cough. Turn up your ears. If you see me, say hi. So heavy.
I love your outfit today.
Thank you. Oh my god.
Where do you get your like outfit ideas? YouTube, Pinterest, both.
I use these to let my villagers express themselves. Boots is Pan. Fagin is a cutie. Peggy is also Pan. Love it. Lesbian Queen Margie. I called it before he put on the shirt.
Add a little bit of spice.
I spent all day baking giant 16-bit fruit cookies from Animal Crossing. And guess what? The cookies are each flavored like the fruit. They're shaped like orange, pear, apple, cherry, peach.